If you're looking to promote digital products with built-in affiliate tracking, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, and by the end, you'll know how to easily set up affiliate tracking without any complicated tools. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a special offer that'll help you get started. The first thing you need to do is choose a platform that offers built-in affiliate tracking. Many platforms provide this feature, but not all of them are user-friendly or tailored for promoting digital products. We've tested a number of popular ones, and I'll be walking you through our top pick today. This software makes it incredibly easy to manage both your product sales and affiliate commissions in one place. Plus, it's a great option if you want something streamlined without a steep learning curve. Once you've signed up for the software, setting up affiliate tracking is as simple as selecting the products you want to promote. Most platforms allow you to add your products with just a few clicks, and the affiliate program setup will be automatically enabled. From there, you can customize the affiliate links and share them with your network. These links will track any sales made through them, and the system automatically assigns commissions based on your settings. Next, it's time to recruit your affiliates. You can either reach out to influencers in your niche or give your existing customers the opportunity to join your affiliate program. This is an excellent way to increase your reach and sales without having to put in a lot of extra effort. The best part is that the software handles tracking, so you won't have to manually manage anything. You'll be able to see exactly which affiliates are driving the most sales, making it easier to optimize your marketing strategy. Now, you may be wondering how to actually get started with this software. Here's the deal. If you want to follow along with me, I've partnered with the platform we're using today to give you an exclusive free trial. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it from the link in the description below. It'll give you full access to the tools you need to start promoting digital products with built-in affiliate tracking right away. One key takeaway from this video: when promoting digital products with built-in affiliate tracking, always ensure your system automatically tracks the sales and commissions. This saves you time, reduces errors, and lets you focus on growing your affiliate network. To quickly recap, you need a platform with built-in affiliate tracking. You'll set up your products, customize affiliate links, and recruit affiliates. With the right software, managing everything is automated, making it easy to scale your digital product promotions. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Start promoting digital products with affiliate tracking today, and I'll see you in the next video.